In this video, I am going to show you how to add a Facebook page into a Facebook Business Manager account. Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video, I will show you how you can add a new Facebook page to your Facebook business account. For doing this, we have to go to the page on which we want to add. This is the page. From here, tap on the settings of the page and then go to the page role. Here, assign a new page role. Here, type the name of the person on whose Facebook Business Manager account you want to add your page. Here, type the name and set this. Here you can see I am the admin of this page. Now we have to go to the Facebook business account. On the Facebook business account, you have to select the pages. Tap on add and then tap on add a page. Go back to your page and copy the name. Here, paste the name of the page. Here you will find the page name and then tap on add page, and we have done. Tap on close. Here you will find the page is here. Now tap on the menu, go to the Ad Manager, and now we can set ad for this account. Tap here and you will see here the page appears. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you learned something from it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.